There's an empty chair, silence in the air. The laughter feels thin without you there. The habits you had, the way you'd smile, I'd give my time for us to have you for a while, just for a while. Do my tears reach the sky? How do you think I've lived my life? Are you proud of the road I take? Or do you see me making mistakes? I wonder if I've lived it right. Are you watching me tonight? Can't hear your voice when I call. You're not there to catch my fall. This house is full, but it feels cold. My gratitude remains untold. Do my tears reach the sky? How do you think I've lived my life? Are you proud of the road I take? Or do you see me making mistakes? I wonder